Time to get a little German with this 2016 sport touring bike from BMW. Was Freudian slipping DMV because I have to go DMV Monday. Please pray for me. 2016 BMW R1200GS sport touring bike in colors black and silver. All kinds of room for luggage on these bikes, and they handle like a dream. It's called a sport touring bike for a reason. Superior handling and tons of room for luggage. As well as incredible handling. 1200cc horizontal opposed twin-cylinder engine and a 6-speed transmission. Available for test rides, or in this case test curves, 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.